Welcome to our tutorial on management style and profitability in the construction industry. Today, we'll explore the key aspects of how leadership influences financial outcomes in construction projects, particularly within family-owned companies. The construction industry relies heavily on robust management styles to ensure profitability and project success. However, most studies have primarily focused on financial strategies rather than the role of leadership in enhancing these outcomes. There's a significant research gap in understanding how leadership dynamics and quality management collectively impact financial performance. Study aims to investigate the role of leaders in influencing quality standards and profitability in family-owned construction companies. The key objectives are: to explore the leadership and quality management nexus, to understand the influence of leaders on profitability, to identify factors affecting quality management and leadership, to provide recommendations for improving profitability. The construction industry faces inherent complexities that need effective leadership to mitigate. A significant portion of construction professionals are unaware of quality management programs, and many companies lack comprehensive quality management practices. This study aims to address these challenges by investigating leadership's role in balancing quality standards and financial success. We will adopt a qualitative research approach, utilizing secondary data from various sources such as articles, publications, and journals. Thematic analysis will help us identify patterns and themes related to leadership practices and their impact on quality and profitability. Let's dive into the specific case study conducted in our research. This case study focuses on the impact of different management styles on profitability in the construction industry, with a particular emphasis on family-owned construction companies. In terms of overall economic growth, the construction industry is essential, with effects seen in many other fields. Companies in the construction sector are expected to experience a rapid rise of 5.7% in production in 2022. Our study aims to understand the impact of leadership styles on project schedules, budgets, and stakeholder happiness by investigating the complex link between management styles and profitability in the construction industry. Our analysis revealed that effective leadership is crucial for maintaining project schedules and budgets, which directly impacts profitability. We found that companies with collaborative and adaptive leadership styles tend to have higher stakeholder satisfaction and better financial performance. Additionally, the study highlighted the importance of innovation and technology in improving project outcomes and profitability. On our findings, we recommend that construction companies, especially family-owned businesses, focus on developing collaborative and adaptive leadership skills. Emphasizing quality management practices and investing in technology can significantly enhance project outcomes and profitability. Training programs and workshops for leaders can help in fostering these essential skills. In conclusion, our study demonstrates the critical role of leadership in the construction industry. Effective management styles not only improve project efficiency but also enhance financial performance. By adopting the recommendations provided, construction companies can achieve better project outcomes and increased profitability, contributing to the overall growth of the industry. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on management style and profitability in the construction industry.